My name is Ayan Shakar, and I'm a junior in high school. This year, I was taking computer science, and I wanted to get some more help to prepare for the AP test, which is coming up in May. So I decided to take the AP Computer Science class on CodeMode. This has been a really great class for me because I've been able to learn more about the things I'll be learning in class before I take those topics in class. So I would bring up any topics that I want to go over with Yashwant uncle, and then he would go over that in the class before I learned that in school. So that gave me kind of a head start in school. And it also helped me kind of have more foundational skills for Java and computer science before the AP class actually happened. Also, I've been able to learn more about these topics overall because Yashwant Uncle has done a great job in kind of taking all of these topics and branching them together. So before I would just think of them as like different pieces of the class or different pieces of computer science as a whole. But Yeshwant Uncle's done a great job of kind of giving lots of examples and teaching it in a way that I can learn it better. And one of the reasons he could do this because he could kind of connect with me personally as it's a smaller class size. So he can show me the examples and really make sure that I understand it and then tie it into a bigger picture so I can understand all of that better.